1. I have to press 1.
You have to press 1? Okay.
Sure. I'm Belle. One of my friends in the castle told me you're turning 5. So I wanted to wish you happy birthday. Don't you think birthdays are exciting? Especially when you get to be as grown up as you are now. Do you know what I wished for on my last birthday?
What?
Guess the book. Oh, I wish I could be there to celebrate with you. Maybe try a piece of your birthday cake. I heard the cake with lots of frosting is your favorite. I like that too. We'll have a wonderful celebration. We'll be thinking about you here at the castle. Goodbye.
That's Cinderella.
Oh, was it?
Yeah.
How cool is that?
Oh my gosh, that's so cool.
It was Cinderella.